Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of VeChain VET token, and definitely I will tell you my next medium duration and long duration targets as well as immediate short term targets for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. In this video, I'm going to do technical analysis of both pair, VET BTC pair and VET USDT pair. So please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is the CoinGecko page of VET and it is currently trading at $0.1203 and price increases 5.7% in 24 hours, and in BTC pair price increases 4.2% in just 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 19 and this is the website. Let me please show you the website. This is the website. VeChain Thor, the public blockchain that derives its value from activities created by members within the ecosystem, solving real-world economic problems. Please do your own research before investing in this token or before buying this token, because cryptocurrency is very risky and very volatile. I will not responsible any of your trading loss or any of your investing loss. This video is just for informational purpose. Please do your own research before entering in this token and before investment. This is the website. I think this token hit my previous targets, and I think this token can easily hit my targets. I'm going to show you in this video. And I think this token has very huge potential, very transparent project and very good team, and please do your own research. And this is the website and you can visit and you can read this all information that are printed out on this website. This is the advisory board. Here you can see this is the advisory board, and it is very transparent project and having huge potential, and I think this token can give you maximum profit in this year 2021. Let me please tell you some other statistics. The market cap of this token is $7.7 billion, which is very good. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1 billion, which is very good, $1 billion. Circulating supply of this token is 64 billion, and total supply of this token is 86 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. This token gives 85% profit in just 30 days, and in 1 year this token gives 2,937% profit to its holders. Return on investment is 1925, which is very good and extreme. And let me please show you some other statistics. All-time high of this token was on 7 April 2021, just 2 days ago, and the price was 0.123. You can say 12.3 cents. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was $0.00191713. VeChain is available on these exchanges: Binance, HitBTC, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description and you can get this link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to open Bybit exchange, this is the link. And if you want to open Orbit exchange link, this is the link. Let's dive into the chart and let me please show you what are the targets. This is the VeChain US 4-hour chart, USDT pair. And in my previous video, I was told you that I was set this target, and how beautifully this token hit my target. Let me please remove this. I was just want to show you. And let me please arrange this chart. VET was rejected from that zone, and the price was $0.12, and sorry friends, sorry for that. I'm very sorry. These all green lines are support zone for the VChain, and this is the horizontal resistance, which is at $0.121, and it is currently trading at $0.118. Let me please show you my first target. I think it is creating a double top. If it rejects from that zone, it is creating double top, and here you can see. If it rejected from this horizontal resistance, which is currently is at $0.12, maybe price can go down to hit this zone again, and after that it will go up. And if it break this horizontal resistance, in that case, let me please show you what will be the target. In that case, our target will be this. This is immediate short-term target, 14.3 cents. And I think this token can easily hit this target. And this is where immediate short-term target. And this token can easily hit this target. This is the main trend line and downtrend line. VET should have to respect this trend line. If VET goes down to hit this zone, and I think it have to pull back, otherwise it have to go to this zone, and after that it will go up. I think this will be the scenario. But if it break this horizontal resistance, in that case this will be the target and it have to hit this. Let me please remove some drawings. Let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. First, I have to tell you what kind of gain this token give in just 2 months. Let me please show you. And please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. Please do your own research before investing in this token, because cryptocurrency is very, very volatile and very risky. That is why I am saying this. And please do your own research before buying this token. Let me please show you what kind of profit it gives in just 2 months. In 60 days, this token gives 350% profit approximately, and which is very good profit, I think so. And this is just the beginning, and this token having huge potential. That is why I know that this token can hit my targets. And let me please arrange this chart, and after that I'm going to tell you what are the targets. It is currently is in between 0.78 and 1, and this is the Fibonacci retracement levels. Once it break this Fibonacci retracement level, according to the Fibonacci retracement, this will be the next target. 19 cents will be the next target of this token. Let me please do this. This is the target of Fib retracement next level. But let me please tell you what is the immediate, what is the medium duration target for this token right now. So let me please arrange this chart, and after that I will tell you. I think within 6 months this token can hit 50 cents and $0.50 and can give you 300 to 320% profit within this year, within 6 months, I think so. And I think within 2021, in this bull run, this token can easily hit this target and can give you, I think, 500% profit, which is very much. I'm sure that 70 cents to 72 cents, this is the target, and this token can easily hit this target, and this is the target of 2001 throughout 2001. I think within 2001 this token can hit this target. Let me please show you the BTC pair, wet BTC pair, and let me please tell you what are the targets. Sorry for that, because there is very much pain in my throat. In BTC pair, it was rejected from that zone, which was at 208 satoshis, and let me please show you the BTC price. Here you can see this is the BTC pair price. 207 satoshis. This is the target, and I think this token can hit this target, and this token can hit. This token can hit this target, and sorry for that. Sorry for this. 207 satoshis. It is the current price of this token, and let me please show you what will be the next target. It is currently in this ascending broadening wedge, and according to that pattern, this token can easily hit this, and maybe after that it will go down. 231 satoshi. This is the horizontal resistance. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then it will go up. This is the immediate short-term target for this token right now. This is the immediate short-term target, 247 satoshis. And once it breaks this horizontal upside, sorry for that, this rising broadening wedge, in that case, this token can easily hit 303 satoshi. These are two immediate short-term targets for this token right now. And let me please tell you what is the next medium duration and long duration target for this token. Friends, I am suffering from fever. That is why there is much pain in my throat, and please ignore the voice quality. It is currently in between this 0.78 to 1, and according to this fib retracement tool, this will be the target. According to this fib retracement tool, the next level will be this, and the price will be, after hitting this, after breaking this horizontal resistance 208 satoshis, price will be 312 satoshis. And let me please show you what will be the next target according to this fib retracement tool. I think within 6 months this token can easily hit this 750 satoshis. This is the target, and 275% this token can easily give within 6 months, and maybe in 2021 this token can hit this zone. This will be the target, 1000 satoshi. This is the final target, and please thumbs up the like button, friends, for the motivation, and please join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram channel I regularly post charts and price predictions. And please, if you are new user, please in that case please subscribe my YouTube channel, And please, if you want to buy this token on Binance, this is the link. Go to in this video's comment section or go to in this video's description where you can get this link. Thanks, keep supporting me. Take care.